This is a big pile of trash, but there is a whole story behind this home. When we purchased this home, there was a dog living here and it was left alone, and I'm so happy that they took it to the Humane Society, and now it's time to bring love back into this house. We're gonna do a complete remodel of this home and make the next family who purchases it absolutely love it, create beautiful memories here. I'm gonna take you along the journey and show you what it looks like and then the process to get it market ready. Stay tuned. Thinking, what in the world is going on here? I just purchased this home and I am so excited to make it absolutely beautiful for a wonderful family or human being to live here. This is gonna be a total renovation. We're gonna do so much to this place to bring the love back into it. I can't wait to take you along the journey and show you all the ins and outs on this project. Stay tuned.